Hello friends, I hope you all doing well. Now I am going to explain about time and distance. It is an important topic in quantitative aptitude. You will get one or two questions from this topic. Okay, let's move on to the first question. If a man walks 20 km at 5 km per hour, he will be late by 40 minutes. If he walks at 8 km per hour, how early from the fixed time will he reach? Options are 15 minutes, 25 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, 30 minutes. See, time taken at 5 kilometer per hour. Time taken at 5 kilometer per hour is 20 by 5. It becomes 4 hour. Okay. 40 minutes to hour. Converting minute to hour. That is divide by 60. It becomes 2 by 3 hour. Actual time is 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay. These two difference. This is 10 by 3 hour. Now they are asking if he walks at 8 kilometer per hour. Time taken at 8 kilometer per hour is 20 by 8 is 5 by 2 hour. So time difference 10 by 3 minus 5 by 2. If you solve you will get 5 by 6 hour. And in options it is in a minutes. Okay. You convert this 5 by 6 into 60. Okay. That becomes 6 tens are 5 tens are 50 minutes. Okay, option 3, 50 minutes is the right answer. Next question. A boy rides his bicycle 10 km at an average speed of 12 km per hour and again travels 12 km at an average speed of 10 km per hour. His average speed for the entire trio is approximately, options are 10.4 km per hour, 10.8 km per hour, 11 km per hour, 12.2 km per hour. See, we have formula for this. For average speed, please note down average speed equals total distance by total time. So this is the formula. So total distance here is how much? 10 kilometer plus 12 kilometer. And total time is 10 kilometer at an average of 12 kilometer per hour. Again here it is 10 kilometer per hour. So if you solve you will get around 10.8 kilometer per hour. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question. A train 180 meter long moving at a speed of 20 meter per second overtakes a man moving at a speed of 10 meter per second in the same direction. The train passes the man in 6 seconds, 9 seconds, 18 seconds, 27 seconds. See, there's a formula, okay? This is the relative speed or velocity, okay? Okay, train and man. This is the man speed and this is the train speed. Okay, this is as moving on same direction. Okay, here it is 20 meter per second for the train and for the man moving at a speed of 10 meter per second. 20 minus 10 is 10 meter per second. Okay, they are asking time. Okay, time is distance by speed. That is distance is 180. They have given 180 meter. Here speed is 10. So your meter get cancelled. So 0, 0 and 18 seconds. Okay, option 3, 18 seconds is the right answer. Next question. The distance between two cities A and B is 330 kilometer. A train starts from A at 8 a.m. and travels towards B at 60 kilometer per hour. Another train starts from B at 9 a.m. and travels towards A at 75 km per hour. At what time do they meet? Options are 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m. See, the distance between two cities A and B is how much? They have given 330 km. Okay, that is from A to B. And train A starts from A at 8 a.m. Okay, here 8 a.m. it starts and travels towards B at 60 km per hour. Here starts how much? 60 km per hour. 60 kilometer. Okay, so the remaining is how much? 270. Okay, and another train starts from B at 9 a.m. Here 9 a.m. from B. Okay, at 75 kilometer per hour. Okay, so at what time they meet? They are asking. So it's very simple. Time equal 270 divided by distance by time is 60 plus 75. Okay, if you simplify, you will get 2 hours. That is, so time at which they meet is 11 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. plus 2 hours, it is 11 a.m. Time at which they met is 11 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. plus 2 hours, that is 11 a.m. So this is the concept behind this. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question. In covering a certain distance, the speeds of A and B are in the ratio of 3:4. A takes 30 minutes more than B to reach the destination. The time taken by A to reach the destination is how much? Options are 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. They given the ratio. Okay, A is to B, ratio of speed is how much? 3:4 they given. And ratio of time is how much? It is vice versa. That means 4:3. Okay, if you take the difference, 4 unit minus 3 unit, that is 4 minus 3 is 1 unit, that is 30 minutes. Okay, here they given A takes 30 minutes more than B. So for 4 units, it will become, for 1 unit it is 30 minutes, for 4 unit it is 30 into 4, that is 120 minutes. 120 minutes means it is nothing but 2 hours. Okay, option 2, 2 hour is the right answer. Next question. A train is traveling at the rate of 45 km per hour. In how many seconds it will take to cover a distance of 4 by 5th kilometer? 4 by 5 kilometer. Okay. Options are 36, 64, 90, 120. Very simple. Time equals distance by speed. Distance they are given 4 by 5 kilometer, 4 by 5 kilometer, and speed is 45 kilometer per hour. So it becomes 4 by 5 into 45, that is 4 by 225 hour. Okay. If you convert this to seconds, you have to multiply into 60 into 60 for hours to seconds. Okay. 4 5s are 20, 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Again 5 9s are 45, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, again 3 4s are 12. 4 cube is how much? 64. 64 seconds. Option 2, 64 is the right answer. Here just you have to do the conversions, that's all. Next question. A person travels 60 km by train at 80 km per hour, 800 km by ship at 400 km per hour, and 100 km by car at 50 km per hour. What is the average speed for the entire distance? Options are 65 5 by 1 by 1 5 by 123 km per hour, 130 10 by 23 km per hour, 60 5 by 123 km per hour, 62 km per hour. Average speed they are given. For average speed, you know the formula: total distance by total time. So distance is how much? 600 plus 800 plus 100. and time is how much? 600 kilometer per 80 kilometer per hour. Again for this it is 400 kilometer per hour and it is 50 kilometer per hour. And 5 ones are 5 twos are 4 twos are 8. So if you further simplify, it becomes 1500 into 2 divided by 23 you will get. It means 3000 divided by 23. That is, if you convert into fraction, it is 130 10 by 23 kilometer per hour. Okay, that is option 2 is the right answer. Next question. A train 100-meter long is running at a speed of 30 kilometer per hour. The time in second in which it will pass a man standing near the railway line is 10, 11, 12, 15. See, they have given the speed 30 kilometer per hour. You convert this into meter per second because they are asking in seconds. Okay, that is 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, remember for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. This becomes 25 by 3 meter per second. So time equals distance by speed. Distance they have given 100 meter and speed is 25 by 3. It becomes 25 fours are 4 threes are 12. 12 second is the right answer. Option 3 12 is the right answer. Next question. Two men are standing on opposite ends of a bridge of 1200 meters long. If they walk towards each other at the rate of 5 meter per minute and 10 meter per minute respectively, in how much time will they meet each other? Options are 60 minutes, 80 minutes, 85 minutes, 90 minutes. It is very simple. Relative speed is how much they have given? 5 plus 10. That means 15 meter per minute. So they are asking the time. Time is how much? Distance by speed. Distance is the given 1200 meter divided by speed is 15. So it becomes 80 minutes. See in exam, you no need to write all this first step, okay? Directly you can write 1200 by 15. This should be your first step, okay? 80 minutes is the right answer. Next question. An aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 2 by third of hours, it must travel at a speed of 300 km per hour, 360 km per hour, 600 km per hour, 720 km per hour. Here, distance equal constant. That means speed is inversely proportional to time. Okay. If you take the ratio of time, it is 5 is to 5 by 3. Okay. You know how we here this 5 hours is this one and this 1 2 by 3 hours is how much? 3 1 are 3 plus 2 it becomes 5 by 3. 1 2 by 3 becomes 5 by 3 hour. Okay. That means it becomes 3 is to 1. Okay. If you further simplify, okay, ratio of time becomes how much? Sorry, speed becomes vice versa. 1 is to 3. Okay. For 1 unit, they were given 240 kilometer per hour. For 3 units, 240 into 3. That means 720 kilometer per hour. Option 4, 720 is the right answer. Next question. How many seconds will a 500-meter long train take to cover a man walking with a speed of 3 km per hour in the direction of the moving train if the speed of the train is 63 km per hour? Options are 25, 30, 40, 45. See, in the direction of moving train, we know the speed is how much? 63 minus 3. Okay, if the moving in the same direction, it becomes 60 kilometer per hour. The asking time is distance by speed. Distance is the given for 500 kilometer, sorry, 500 meter, and the speed is 60 kilometer per hour. But it should be in a 5 by 18. Okay, that is meter per second. 500 into 18 divided by 60 into 5. Okay, here 0 0 get cancelled, it is 10, and here 6 3 is 18. That means 30 seconds. Option 2 is the right answer. Next question. A man walking at the rate of 5 km per hour crosses a bridge in 15 minutes. The length of the bridge is 600 meter, 750 meter, 1000 meters, 1250 meters. Here, they're given 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes means 1/4 of the hour. Okay, for 1 hour it is 5 kilometer. For 1/4 hour, it becomes 5 by 4 kilometer. So the length of the bridge is 5 by 4 kilometer. If you convert this into what meter, it becomes 1250 meter. Okay, it's very simple. 1250. Next question. If a man reduces his speed to 2 by third, he takes 1 hour more in walking a certain distance. The time in hours to cover the distance with his normal speed is 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, 1.5 hour. See, they have given actual versus reduced. Okay, that means ratio of speed is they are given 3 is to 2. So then obviously the ratio of time is vice versa, that is 2 is to 3. For 1 unit equals 1 hour, they are given 1 hour. So then obviously actual time taken is 2 units. That means 2 into 1 is 2 hours. Option 1, 2 hours is the right answer. Next question. I walk a certain distance and ride back, taking a total time of 37 minutes. I could walk both ways in 55 minutes. How long would it take me to ride both ways? Options are 9.5 minutes, 19 minutes, 18 minutes, 20 minutes. The time taken in walking both ways is how much? 55 minutes. Okay. Again, time taken in walking one way is how much? 55 by 2. That is 27.5 minutes. Okay. Time taken in walking and riding back. So much? 37 minutes they've given. Okay. So time taken in riding one way is how much? 37 minus 27.5. That is 9.5 minutes. Okay. Time taken in riding both ways. They're asking riding in both ways. It becomes in one way it is 9.5, for both way into 2. That is 19 minutes. 9.5 into 2 is 19. Okay, it's very simple. Option 2, 19 is the right answer. Next question. Wait. It is over. Next question. A thief is noticed by a policeman from a distance of 200 meters. The thief starts running and the policeman chases him. The thief and the policeman run at a rate of 10 km per hour and 11 km per hour respectively. What is the distance between them after 6 minutes? Options are 10 meter, 190 meter, 200 meter, 150 meter. The relative speed of policeman with respect to thief is how much? 11 minus 10, that is 1 kilometer per hour. Next, relative distance covered by policeman in 6 minutes. It is how much? Speed into time. For distance, it is formula speed into time. That is 1 into time is 6 by 60, that means 1 by 10 kilometer. Okay, if it is a meter, then it becomes 100 meter. Okay, so the distance between the policeman and thief after 6 minutes is 200 minus 100 meter, that is 100 meter. Okay, this option 1, 100 meter is the right answer. Next question, the length of a train and that of a platform are equal if with a speed of 90 km per hour the train crosses the platform in 1 minute, then the length of the train is 500 meter, 600 meter, 750 meter, 900 meter. See, let's take the length of both train and platform is platform B x. Okay. Then distance covered by train to cover the platform is 2x. Distance covered by train to cross the platform. It becomes 2x. Okay. Time is how much? 1 minute. They're given 1 minute means 60 seconds. And speed is how much? 90 kilometer per hour. They're given. So if you convert this into meter per second, it becomes 90 into 5 by 18. That is 25 meter per second. So they are telling the distance equals, we know the distance is what? Speed into time, or distance 2x, speed is 25 and time is 60 seconds. So if you simplify, it will become 750 meter. That is, length is how much? 750 meter. Next question. A man crosses a road 250 meters wide in 75 seconds. His speed in kilometer per hour is 10, 12, 12.5, 15. It is very simple. Speed equals distance by time. That is 250 is distance. Time is 75. It is how much? And it will, if you convert it kilometer per hour, they are asking. So kilometer per hour to meter per second is 5 by 18. And here from meter per second to kilometer per hour, it is 18 by 5. 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. If you solve, it becomes 12 kilometer per hour. Option 2, 12 is the right answer. Next question. A and B start at the same time with speeds of 40 km per hour and 50 km per hour respectively. If in covering the journey A takes 15 meter longer than B, the total distance of the journey is how much? Options are 46 kilometer, 48 kilometer, 50 kilometer, 52 kilometer. See, ratio of speed is 4 is to 5. Okay, that is 40 and 50, then obviously ratio of time becomes vice versa, that is 5 is to 4. So if you take the difference, 5 unit minus 4 unit, it become for 1 unit it is 15 minutes. Okay, so time taken by B is 4 into 15, that is 1 hour. Okay, that means 60 means 1 hour. So distance equals speed into time, that is 50 into 1 is how much? 50 kilometer. Option 3, 50 is the right answer. Next question. A train passes a 50-meter long platform in 14 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 10 seconds. The speed of the train is 24 km per hour, 36 km per hour, 40 km per hour, 45 km per hour. Let x be the length of the train. X divided by 10, 10 seconds, and here x plus 50. Okay, and it is 14 seconds. 50-meter long platform in 14 seconds, and here it is 10 seconds. If you solve here, 14x equal 10x plus 500 becomes x equals 500 by 4, that is 125 meter. So then speed equals 125 divided by 10 is meter per second. Okay, this is meter per second, and if you convert to kilometer per second, it is 18 by 5. Okay, so it becomes, if you simplify, it becomes 45 kilometer per hour. That is option 4. Next question. An athlete runs 200-meter race in 24 seconds. His speed in kilometer per hour is how much? 20, 24, 28.5, 30. Speed equals distance by time. Distance is 200 meter and time is 24 meter per second. And if you convert this to kilometer per hour, that is 18 by 5. If you further simplify, you will get 30 kilometer per hour. Option 430 is the right answer. Next question. A train running at 7 by 11 of its own speed reached a place in 22 hours. How much time could be saved if the train would run at its own speed? Options are 14 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 16 hours. They are given ratio of a speed, that is 11 is to 7. The ratio of time becomes 7 is to 11. They have given 11 units. For 11 units it is 22 hours. For 1 unit it is 2 hours. So actual time is 7 unit. For 7 unit it is 7 to the 14 hours. Okay, so time saved is 22 minus 14 is 8 hours. 8 hours is the time saved. Option 3 is the right answer. Next question. A train passes two bridges of length 800 meter and 400 meter in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively. The length of the train is 80 meter, 90 meter, 200 meter, 150 meter. Here distance covered in 100 second is 800 plus L, and distance covered in 60 second is 400 plus L, and distance covered in 40 seconds is 100 minus 60, that is 800 plus L minus 400 plus L, that it becomes 400 meter, and speed is 400 by 40, it is meter per second, that is 10 meter per second. So distance covered in 60 seconds is 10 into 60, that is 600 meters. So 400 plus L is how much for 60 seconds? 600, 400 plus L equals 600. If you simplify this, it becomes L is 200 meter. Okay, that is option 3. 200 is the right answer. The length of the train is 200 meter. Next question. A man can reach a certain place in 30 hours. If he reduces his speed by 1 by 15, he goes 10 kilometer less in that time. Find his speed per hour. Options are 6 kilometer per hour, 5 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer per hour, 3 kilometer per hour. So here the ratio of speed is 15 is to 14. Okay. So obviously the ratio of time becomes vice versa, 14 is to 15. So for 14 is 28 hours, and for 15 it is 30 hours. Okay. So in 2 hours it travels 10 kilometers. See, in 2 hours it travels in 10 kilometers. So speed equals distance by time is 5 kilometer per hour. This option 2. Okay, you know how you will get 2 hours. This becomes 14 to 28, 52. Here they have given this 30 hours reduces to 1 by 15. That means 2 hours. It becomes 2. So that's why 14 is 28 hours and 15 is into 2, 30 hours. Okay friends, here it covers almost all type of problems in time and distance. Please practice well. Thank you.